Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for project management. ClickUp offers a robust set of features that makes it powerful tool for project management. Here's a breakdown of how to leverage ClickUp to efficiently manage your project from planning to completion. Workspace hierarchy. Create a workspace dedicated to your project within the workspace. Use folder to categorize the list by phrase, department, or any relevant criteria. Utilize the ClickUp doc for brainstorming project ideas, creating mind maps to visualize the project scope, and outlining project goals and deliver. Once you have clear plan, translate your project phase or milestone into your list within your workspace. Then break down each phase into actionable tasks within the respective list. Assign tasks to specific team members based on their expertise and workload. Set realistic due dates for tasks to ensure timely completion. Utilize priority to prioritize critical tasks for your project. This is how you can use ClickUp for project management. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.